Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis and price prediction of the Bitcoin, so that please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel, links are in this video description, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you are new user, then please subscribe my channel and please click on bell icon for more updated videos. This is Bitcoin US dollar for our Gemini chart. In my yesterday's video I was told you that Bitcoin have to cross this horizontal resistance trend line, which is at $40,400, but unfortunately Bitcoin hit, and after hitting, Bitcoin goes down and price goes down to $37,200 approximately, and now Bitcoin is currently at $39,600. There is still a resistance which is at now $40,370. Bitcoin should have to break this horizontal resistance in order to move towards upside. If Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, in that case, Bitcoin definitely will break $42,000. In that case, our target will be $45,000. In my yesterday's video, I was told you that Bitcoin is creating inverse head and shoulder pattern. Here you can see, but unfortunately, Bitcoin fails to break this pattern. If Bitcoin break this pattern, I was told you that in that case, our target will be like this. Let me please show you. In that case, our target will be approximately $51,500. But unfortunately, Bitcoin fails to break this. Now Bitcoin is ready again. Bitcoin is again ready to break this. If Bitcoin break this horizontal trend line, upside horizontal trend line, and close 4 hourly candle above this line, in that case, our target will be definitely $51,500. But for this, Bitcoin have to break $42,500 strong resistance, which is at that point, and $44,500. These are two resistances. Let me please show you. And let me please show you the hourly chart. In hourly chart, you can easily see inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here is a big thing that I know, that if Bitcoin do this, in that case, Bitcoin definitely will go up. Bitcoin is creating a W pattern. Once Bitcoin break this neckline of this W pattern, in that case, definitely Bitcoin, sorry for that. I'm very sorry. In that case, this will be the area, and after breaking this neckline, minimum target is $45,400. These are the targets and these are the expectations from the Bitcoin. But if unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this zone again, in that case, Bitcoin definitely will go to $38,000 and $36,000 again. This is strong support zone is at $36,400 and $34,800. These are strong support zone for the Bitcoin. Bitcoin have to break these zones. Let me please show you my indicators. Let me please show you. First of all, VPBR. Here you can see at that point $37,700. There is a very huge volume tower of VPBR. That indicates that there is a much orders. There are more orders of buying and selling in that price zone, and more orders are at $38,000, $39,000, $37,000, $36,000, and $40,000. In between $36,000 to $40,000, there are very strong towers of this VPBR, and this is indication that there are very strong buying and selling orders. Let me please hide this. And after that, let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Bitcoin break EMA ribbon in hourly chart very successfully, and Bitcoin now is at $39,666. But for upside movement, Bitcoin have to break $40,600 and close hourly candle above this zone. In that case, Bitcoin definitely will go up. Otherwise, Bitcoin can go down. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you the volume. There is not a volume is not very satisfactory. It is there is very less volume in this chart. Let me please hide the volume, and let me please show you the weekly chart. Let me please arrange this. Let me please do this. Here you can see, let me please hide this, and let me please show you the EMA line. 21, this blue line is 21 weekly moving average is at $44,750 approximately. If in any case Bitcoin break this and close weekly candle above this, in that case definitely Bitcoin will go up, and in that case maybe Bitcoin will create new all-time high. Here you can see on 27 April 2021 2020 Bitcoin break this line, and after that Bitcoin moves towards upside, and after that here you can see Bitcoin is in bull trend, and after hitting all-time high Bitcoin is now at 28,800 after when Bitcoin break this trend line, 221 weekly EMA line and hit $28,800. For upside movement and strong upside trend, Bitcoin have to break this blue line, 21 weekly moving average EMA. Once Bitcoin break this EMA line, in that case definitely Bitcoin will go up, otherwise Bitcoin will go down. This is very, very strong resistance for the Bitcoin. And let me please show you something very, very interesting. Let me please convert it into hourly chart. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button, and if you are new then please subscribe my channel. And let me please remove this. I'm going to show you an important pattern which is let me please arrange this chart. This is the this is the downtrend line. Let me please arrange this. This is the downtrend line acting like a support for the Bitcoin right now, and this is the upside trend line, and here you can see Bitcoin is creating a ascending triangle. Here you can see Bitcoin is creating a ascending triangle. Let me please arrange this. Here you can see. Let me please change the color of this ascending triangle. Here you can see. This is the Bitcoin is in this ascending triangle in hourly chart. It will move like this. Bitcoin can go high to hit this zone, and after that maybe Bitcoin can go down to hit this downtrend line, and after that definitely Bitcoin have to cross this line. And once Bitcoin cross this line, if Bitcoin break this towards upside, in that case our target, let me please show you, in that case our target will be near about $51,000. Here, yes, it is $51,000. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this towards downside, let me please clone this. If this happens, in that case maybe Bitcoin can go to $33,300. Let me please label on this. Here you can see the breakout or breakdown or breakout of this ascending triangle will be on, I think so, 29 May, within 48 hours. Definitely Bitcoin have to break this, whether it is break towards upside or whether it breaks towards downside. But if Bitcoin break towards upside, in that case $51,000 will be our target. But if it break unfortunately towards downside, in that case 33,500 will be our target. These are the targets of this ascending triangle. And let me please show you one thing very interesting. Our first target will be, once Bitcoin break this uptrend line, our first target will be $42,000. Resistance of this $42,500 or $42,700. Once Bitcoin break this, our second resistance is at $44,700 area, a 21 weekly moving average line. If Bitcoin break to 42,700 and 44,700, in that case Bitcoin definitely will hit $51,000. Otherwise, maybe Bitcoin, if Bitcoin fails to break this uptrend line, in that case Bitcoin can go down to hit again $38,500, and after that Bitcoin definitely will pull back. These are my targets. If you like this video, please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. And if you want to join me on Binance, and if you want to trade on Binance, or if you want to buy coins on KuCoin exchange or Binance exchange, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 20 seconds of your life. Thanks for the watching. Take care.